This is John with WTI. And as an uncomplicated dude, trying to cook for me is just get in, get out as fast as you can. And this is where this ranchero Chinese sauce comes into place. This just brings me into my childhood. Sometimes you just eat something or you just see a product, you see a sauce, and you think about when you were younger. I remember my mom used to cook with this all the time, and it was like her 9/11. Sometimes she would cook and the meat would be as well seasoned. We're used to being like really seasoned food. Add this, and it's like everything is working. And now I understand her. Sometimes I'm doing a beef or I'm doing something related with pork or anything, and it's a bit off of salt, or even if I just want to add like a nice flavor, this Chinese sauce with ranchero is just like tastes awesome. It just gives a nice seasoning. It's uncomplicated. Pour it up. Don't worry, it'll be fine. You can add. I even add this with salads and just olive oil, and this has like a nice mix. Olive oil and this, pow, the way to go. So this was John with WTI, and that was my point of view.